Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Homeowner Sapien coming back at you with another video. Today we are going to be dealing with these vines on our wall here. You can see that the vines have been growing and it's about time for a trim. You can kind of see how far they stick out on the wall. So what I'm trying to do today is to trim these down so that they don't stick out as much, so that it's a little bit cleaner. And then I'm going to top off I'm going to edge the top here so that it doesn't climb over this wall. So over the years it's gotten pretty aggressive. It has climbed over the wall to the neighbor side, but I'm going to try to keep it at bay by just topping it off here. There's a line here on the brickwork that kind of serves as my guide, and also along the side of the wall here you can see that it's creeping along to this wall, and then eventually if I let it go it'll just continue to grow that way. And I want to cut it off here at this wall so that it doesn't continue to grow. If you take a look at the other side, you can see it's starting to creep up on this wall here, but over the years I did let it go for a little bit, and so these vines crept up along this wall all the way, went pretty far, all the way this way. And so it is quite a ways away, which I did let it go, and then of course it went up on the fence here, and then at some point I decided to remove it, and so I peeled off an entire layer of vines from this entire brick wall and the fence topper, and we just decided that we didn't want the vines to go beyond this wall, so we're gonna keep them at bay by cutting them off here. And this is all part of the general maintenance of this vine plant. Anyway, you can see it the way it would aggressively crawl up on this area here. So I'm gonna just cut it off here, maintain the length of the leaves here. And this is something that I do maybe 2 or 3 times a year, maybe more, depending on how often I water them. It can grow pretty aggressively, but it seems to be time to do a little bit of maintenance, so that's what we're going to do today. So the tools that I'm going to be using today, as you saw earlier, are the Milwaukee M12 hedge trimmer. Got a pair of scissors. These are more aggressive than your typical scissors. They'll be used to cut the edge up at the top, which you'll see later. Got some gloves, and then I have this little plastic tray which I use to collect the trimmings, so it makes it easier for me to clean and collect the trimmings and dump them in the green trash bin, as opposed to having to rake up everything. So this is what everything looks like now, and follow along as I trim these vines. Alright, I just finished trimming the top off, so you can see that line where the brickwork is. I just use that as my guide, and this is the final results after trimming the vines and topping them off at the line up at the top. All I got to do next is blow the leaves, do a little raking, and clean it up. So as I mentioned before, these vines will grow quite aggressively if you just leave them alone. I just pulled off some of the vines that were creeping along underneath this bench here, and then I'm going to show you the origin of it here. It starts right down there, and then it's got this like large branch that has grown alongside of this brick, basically underneath here, and then underneath the bricks it's sort of curled itself along the bricks and through the woodwork. You can see I've pulled them off here, so these are very, very aggressive vines. The wife actually wants me to get rid of the entire vine wall because it gets in the way of our citrus. I kind of like the way that it looks, just because it gives the backyard a little bit more green. However, the maintenance of this stuff is definitely something to keep up with. So for now, I'm going to keep maintaining it, but eventually we may lose these vines. Anyway, so I'm going to trim this giant vine here. Alright, there you have it. I've just finished cleaning up the yard. This is what the vines look like. Final results. And then if you open up the bin, this is the green bin, completely full, all of leaves from the vine up on that wall. It's a lot. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks for following along. Subscribe to my channel if you want to continue following my homeowner journey. And catch you on the next video.